Hello to all my children. Hope you're doing fine and you're here with DP Kids as usual to look at how to make crafts, beautiful craft. Now look at what we are going to do today here. It's a carrot. See? It's a very cheerful sort of carrot, isn't it? And it's quite easy to make it too. Even the smallest children can make this. I think it'll be better if you can use an orange and green colored paper, but anything is fine. Now to make the carrot, see how I have put in the leaves. So the orange part is quite big compared to the leaves which were made from two different paper. Now we only need 3 pieces of paper, remember that? But it's quite easy, so you don't have to worry about anything. Now for the carrot, we have to use this orange piece of paper or any other colored paper. Fold it into half so you get a triangle. Take this corner and take it up so that there's a little flap coming out of the other end. Take the other side up so that, see how it looks, and then this corner here we have to bring to the central line, to the central vertical line, and the same thing on the other side. Bring it to the central line so that those two flaps also meet each other. Now you can even fold those little flaps down beneath, but we'll need it because we need to hold the leaves using those. So now take these little pieces of paper, fold it into half, this paper that we are using as the leaves, then open it up, take this edge and bring it to the middle, just like what we did earlier. Bring the edge to the middle and then turn it over and again bring that edge to the middle line. Same thing on the opposite side. Now, and that's the end of we have made our leaf. See how easy it is? Just watch. I'm going to repeat and see whether you can follow with me. Fold it, then take one edge to the middle, repeat the same thing on the other side, flip the paper over, then don't mix up your sides, be careful, that is important. Then again the edge comes to the middle, the other edge also goes up to the middle, and there you go, you have your leaves. Now what we do is we need to insert or put these little leaves inside the pocket of the carrot. See? Isn't that easy but sweet as well? Now let's draw a face on it. It's a smiling, talking carrot. And then, of course, don't forget there are little bits and pieces on the carrot. You can draw them too onto the carrot. Now take a separate piece of paper so we can paste our carrot onto it. Take your glue, put a little bit onto the bottom of the carrot. Now stick it onto that piece of paper. Now you can put a little bit of glue to the bottom of your leaf as well. Do the same with the other and put it in. Push it inside the pocket. And there you have it. We can do the same thing with the other paper that we have, the other carrot that we have. Paste it in. This is, see, not a good paper. It's from a calendar paper. So you can use any such paper for your creations. Don't worry if you don't have really good paper. See how our carrot looks. See how easy it is and how nice it looks. You can make a lot of carrots like this and prepare a vegetable patch made of carrots. And maybe in some other video I'll show you who is going to come to this vegetable patch. So you need to keep watching DP Kids videos. Stay safe, children.